Welcome to Takshisala Gurukul channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe immediately, press the bell button and write your comments and feedback. Share with your friends as much as possible. We provide online Kundalini Raja Yoga initiation and Kundali activation in 6 months.
Hello friends, there are more than 5 million temples in our country India. There are more than 10 lakh monasteries, ashrams, 640,000 villages in this country of India, 15 to 25 lakh more sadhas, monks, great souls are in the country, but we are not able to provide our Gurukul tradition of education in this country. This is a matter that we need to think about. Therefore, our Takshashila Gurukul Mahavidyalaya has been providing Brahma Vidya, Atma Vidya, in the manner of the ancient Gurukul system for the last 6 years. Using ancient techniques, Kundalini Raja Yoga, Brahma Vidya in 1 year is our attempt to provide Atma Vidya. In the past, in the ancient Gurukul, we used to teach the knowledge that was learned for 12 years in 1 year, and we named it Kundalini Raja Yoga. First we need to know what education means, then we need to know what education means. We need to know the difference between education and knowledge. In ancient times, the knowledge-based education system was prevalent. In modern India, we are giving children education based on degrees only, based on marks. Real education is towards physical labor, towards intellect, towards knowledge. If the mind is leading towards faith, we should call it education. If we make people lazy, if we teach them physicality, it cannot be true education. The education we have learned does not lead to knowledge. It cannot be real education. The arts that are learned to earn a living are called education. In the modern era, all the courses that are learned are based on grades and degrees. What is the system of education? In ancient Gurukuls, 14 subjects and 64 arts were taught. Many Gurukuls were based on education. In Gurukuls, children were taught to be brave and brave. Brahmacharya was a natural practice. Respect for elders and faith in scriptures came naturally. Courage to tell the truth came naturally to them. Qualities like respecting parents, elders and elders came naturally. Therefore, a healthy society was being built. The great Gurukuls were destroyed by the Muslims and the British. They gradually settled down and finally in 1835, when Macaulay destroyed our Gurukul education system, we are now teaching the same way using the ancient technique of Kundalini Raja Yoga. 1. Purification of the body. There are 72,000 nerves in the human body. They can be purified. 2. The 3 nerves of the Ida Pangala Sushumna are behind our backs. There are 7 chakras in the Sushumna Nadi. They will be awakened. 3. Brahman knowledge will be made. 4. Bhakti and Dhyan Yoga Siddhi. Karma Yoga Siddhi. 5. The path to third eye opening will be shown. 7. Gayatri Mantra Japa and meditation. 7. You will get many siddhis through meditation. 8. By listening to the scriptures, meditating, and practicing, you will gain Brahman knowledge. You can cross the cycle of birth and death. You can cross this existence. 9. Not only that, you can become a mortal. In any of the sciences that we teach, no doubt, we have already posted videos of the opinions and feelings of many Kundalini Raja Yoga practitioners. You can see the playlist for proof. Kundalini Raja Yoga can be initiated online or offline by giving a gift to the Guru. Description of the 7 chakras. 1 Muladhara Chakra Earth Principle Position Anal 4 Dal Bijakshara Lane, Varna Blue Lord Ganapati La Dharaka Shape Mandira. 2 Swadhisthana Chakra Water Principal Position Linga Dal 6 Bijakshara Vam Black Color Lord Brahma Shape Dandaka. 3 Manipuraka Chakra Fire Principal Position Navel 10 Dal Ram Bijakshara Yellow Color Lord Vishnu Kundal Shape. 4 Anahuta Chakra Air Principal Position Heart 12 Dal M Bijakshara Gold Color Lord Rudra Crescent Shape. 5 Vishuddha Chakra Sky Principal Position Neck 16 Dal Hum Bijakshara Dhoom Color Lord Jiva. Mirror Shape. 6 Command Chakra Position between 2 festivals 12 Dal Ham and Ksham Bijakshara Ratnavarna Lord Bindu Jyoti Shape. 7 Sahasradala Chakra Position Head 2 inches above the head 1000 Dal Padma Ahoma Om White Color Parabrahma Lord Shape Blue Shape Sapachakra Description. How is the energy in the Muladhara? Just like a snake wraps 3 times around the Shivalinga and faces downwards, there is Kundalini energy in our body. We should use Tantra to take the energy upwards to the Sahasradhara Chakra. If there is energy in the Muladhara, that is, Kali Adi Shakti, Prashakti. Shiva resides in the Sahasradala on the head. The energy should be awakened and turned upwards and united with Shiva. It should be done with Mithuna. Then a nectar will pour out and it should be experienced by the practitioner. He will attain Samadhi. He will be free from birth and death. This is the Kundalini Raja Yoga Vidyalaya.